What is the best IPTV player for Firestick in 2025? Watch the video till the end and don't miss any step. First, we have Smarters Pro. Picture this a slick, easy to navigate interface that just gets you. Smarters Pro delivers top-notch streaming quality and works seamlessly across a wide range of devices. It is like having a personal assistant for your environment needs and entertainment. Next, meet IBO Player. Think of IPV as a powerhouse in your streaming lineup. It is fast, reliable, and performs like a dream even during marathon viewing sessions if speed and stability are your priorities. IPTV Player has got your back. Finally, there is TVM. TVM is for the tech-savvy viewer who loves all the bells and whistles. Imagine catching up on a missed episode with Catchup TV or browsing shows effortlessly with EPG Sport. It is the ultimate companion for those who want full control over their viewing experience. So which one is best for 2025? It all depends on what you are looking for. If you value ease of use and quality, go with Smarters Pro. For speed and performance, choose IPV Player, and if advanced features and control are your thing, TVM is your go-to. That's it.